Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. Recently, the price line of Bitcoin Cash broke out this quite long-term down channel on the daily time frame chart. And after the breakout from this channel, we had a nice pump. The pricing got rejected by another downtrend and resistance. You can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is getting rejected by this resistance. Now, recently, while moving to the downside, we have also lost a very significant up trend line support, and that is now after the breakdown flipped into resistance. You can see that we broke it down. And after that, for several days, the pricing has been trying to break it out once again, but could not break out. And now it is getting rejected. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this up trend line support has been previously breaking at a very strong resistance here for several weeks a month. And after the breakout, since after the month of June 2023, it was working at a very, very nice support. And now we have broken it down. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for LDO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, and you can also watch when I shared this trade signal. Like this trade signal I shared on 24th of January 2025 in the members. And here you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is getting rejected by this downtrend line resistance. And while moving to the downside, we have broken down a very, very significant uptrend line support that can now, that is now flipped into a very strong resistance. You can see that we got stable ejections. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support has been previously breaking at a very strong resistance here from the month of September 2022 up till the month of Feb 2023. And after the breakout, since after the month of June 2023 up till now, up till the end of January 2025, it has been breaking at a very, very strong support. You can see that we got stable touch points here. Then we had a nice bounce, another bounce here, and another bounce here. And now, after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. We have also tested this very long-term support of $270. That was previously breaking as support here and resistance here and support here. And now, again, the pricing has bounced very well after testing this support. However, still there is a probability that we may test this support once again because the price line is now getting rejected by this uptrend line resistance. This rejection is very, very clear, visible here on the daily time frame chart. You can see that it is once again rejected and moving to the downside. However, we can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term down channel as well. And after that, we had a nice pump, but so far the price line could not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. And still, there is a probability that the price line may hit that target. That target is here, by the way, the top of the channel at $700. By the way, from $700 to $800, we have a quite long-term resistance on that has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and before that has been breaking as a support zone and resistance zone here as well. However, first we will again need to break out this downtrend and resistance in order to hit the target for the breakout from this channel. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart once again, then here we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very, very nice rally. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.